Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
So I've got here the NordicTrack Treadmill with an iFit subscription. Now this treadmill, I'll just show you how it works. So we've had Tenturi treadmills in the past, and similarly you get the safety key, you plug it in, and then you're ready to go. So once you've inserted that in there, which just easily slots in, you can then see on the display here, you have access to various workouts as part of your iFit subscription. And you can scroll through and pick whichever workout suits you. They have over 10,000 on offer. Now, once you've started your workouts, I'm just walking here. You can see I'm adjusting the incline by clicking the buttons. It's all a touch screen display, which is great because you can see, your calorie burn, quick stats along the top in terms of your walking pace. And then on the right, you can adjust the speed functionality as well at a click.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.